Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today I would like to talk about Dasvandh Network. As you know, in Sikhi we have the concept of Dasvandh, which is giving 1/10 of your earnings back to the Guru, back to the Panth, or humanitarian causes and organizations. So Dasvandh Network provides a platform where Sikhs, the Sangat, the Panth can find organizations, find causes that are doing seva, that are doing something for the Panth or humanity, and contribute and donate to those causes. Now, to access the Dasvandh Network, all you have to do is open your internet browser on a phone or computer and go to dvnetwork.org. And if you type in that website, the Dasvandh Network homepage will show up. And on this page, they have a few projects that are being highlighted right at the top. And you can see how much the project has been funded, what they're looking for, how many people are backing or supporting this project. But if you scroll down, you can go into the various causes and projects by type or category. For instance, if you are interested in education or humanitarian aid, you can click that and it will show you a number of projects that are going on in that category. For instance, here we have Asra, which is a food pantry, and they work with distributing food to those who need it. We also have Prabh Asra, a place where they're taking care of children who might not have parents or might be separated from their families. So these are some humanitarian causes. Now, if I go back, I can see the various other categories of projects, or I can just scroll down and discover different campaigns. So let's say I have my Dasvandh, I've taken out some money from my earnings, and I'm looking for somewhere to contribute that to an organization to give this Dasvandh. So I can scroll around and I can find different causes that might appeal to me, like SikhNet making stories for children, or this Sikhville giving an online portal to create cartoons and videos and games for children to learn. And so in this way, you can find various different organizations and projects, and then you can click on that project and get some details on what they're trying to do, what are they trying to accomplish, what is their goal, and how they're using those funds to accomplish that goal. So you can read and learn about the details of each organization. You can also get updates on the progress that they've been making and what they've been doing with those funds. And a really neat feature of this platform is that you can set monthly or annual donations. So let's say I want to contribute to this Educate Punjab project every month. I can put in $50 monthly, and this basically gets added to a cart. You can sign in with Google or Facebook, or you can create an account on the platform. Once you do that, you will be able to visit different causes and add them to your cart. So you can say divide up $100 between 10 different causes, giving $10 to each one, and put them all in a cart and then check it out, just like another website. So basically it's crowdfunding your Dasvandh. And the advantage to the Sangat is we get to learn about new projects and new organizations that we might not know about. And at the same time, these organizations get to reach an audience. They get to be put in front of the Sangat that they might not have access to. So for them, having to go out and find people who are willing to donate or contribute or advertise, this kind of combines the organizations that are doing the seva and the people who want to fund those sevas and connects them to each other. So that is the Dasvandh Network. And you can check out their website at dvnetwork.org. Now, besides the causes themselves, you can look at the organizations and contribute to the organizations themselves. So Mata Pak, or Education Fund, is a project of Khalsa Media Services. So if I go to Khalsa Media Services, I can see how much money has been pledged to this organization. And let's say there's not a specific project I want to contribute to, I can just give right to that organization. And if you have a cause, if you have an organization, if you're trying to do some seva and you need funding, you can apply on their website to get your cause, your organization put on there. Now, when this video is being published, at some point in the next week or two, there's Dasvandh Week, which is an annual giving event that Dasvandh Networks puts on. And it's a great time to give and a great time to contribute or donate because a lot of the contributions are matched. So basically, your contribution can be doubled because many generous donors have contributed to a matching fund. Let's say they have $10, $20, or $50,000 in this fund. So everyone who contributes and donates during Dasvandh Week, their donation will be effectively matched from that fund, and you'll be able to have twice the impact and give twice the contribution to the organizations that you care about. So I urge everyone to check out the Dasvandh Network and the Dasvandh Week at dvnetwork.org. It gives you a way to give your Dasvandh online. You can use your credit card. You can make it automatic. You can make it monthly. And at the end of the year, you can print out a report of all the donations and contributions you've given throughout that year for your records. You can also get the tax receipts for the contributions you've given and get that tax write-off sent to you via email. And you can also get project updates sent to you. So I hope you found this useful. If you didn't know about this, or even if you do, please do share this with others, especially because, as they say, this is a way to power the Panth, so that more people are aware of this wonderful platform and this tool and can take advantage of it to support all the wonderful Panthic and humanitarian projects that are going on today. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.